Hi, I'm Mark Shuman from Shuman Legal in Chicago, and we are at Sprout San Francisco, the Chicago store, and I'm here with Lexi. Hi, Lexi.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, I'm Lexi. I've been working here at Sprout for a little over a year and a half, and we specialize in strollers and car seats, kind of your one-stop shop for everything that you need for your infant. We have a lot of gear, including cribs, clothing, personal care products for mom and baby. So, yeah.
Great. Well, we are here promoting Car Seat Safety Giveaway Week, and Lexi is going to educate us about car seats. So let's talk. So first of all, what do you recommend? Do you recommend having just one car seat or starting with an infant seat and then changing as the baby gets older?
So it kind of does depend on your family's dynamic. If you're planning on moving the infant seat in and out of the car a lot, that's when you're going to want to get adapters in order to have that so it's a smooth transition into the stroller. However, if you do want just a rear-facing seat with the convertible, as we have here with the FOOMF, which is a convertible car seat, you would use something called the infant thingy, which does come with CLEC, and it's able to surround the baby so it is more sturdy and safe. So whenever you're going right from the hospital into the seat, it is approved and they're able to go from there.
And by the way, the official name is Infant Thingy.
It
right?
is Infant Thingy, yes,
That's
official name.
That's great. Speaking of hospitals, is it required to have a car seat when leaving the hospital?
So in the state of Illinois, it is required. Furthermore, it's required that it's installed properly. So you're gonna wanna make sure, not only if you feel comfortable, there are videos on the CLEC website to show you how to properly install it, and you can use your manual. But if you are still feeling hesitant, we do have someone that you can contact to come and show you how to properly install and take out if need be.
Okay, and we're talking about CLEC, C-L-E-K. What is the website for CLEC?
It's just clec.com.
Okay. And what's so good about the CLEC?
FOOMF. This one specifically, the FOOMF, is what they like to refer to as the tank of car seats. That is verbatim how they describe it because it is so sturdy and stability-wise. And because you can flip it from rear to forward facing, it's meant to have that longevity for your child to grow through using the car seat. It also has a rebound bar, which allows for when it is rear facing for that extra stability. So when you're driving, you don't have to worry about turning around to ensure that your child is safe. It just is very compact in that way.
Excellent. So as the child grows, how do you adjust the seat to make sure the fit is proper?
Of course. So you want to have it when it's rear facing, anywhere from 2 to 5 years old. Is two being the minimum, 5 being the maximum. You kind of want to pay attention because every child grows obviously different. If they're getting to be a little snug on these like shoulder rests right here, that's when you're going to want to consider maybe changing it to forward facing. What it should be when it is rear facing is from the shoulder length down tight, and when it's forward facing, shoulder length up a little tighter. Again, you don't want it to be constricting the child. You want to have a little bit of give and take there. But 5 is the max of the convertible facing forward, and then from there you're going to move into the booster seat.
So as the child grows, how do you adjust the seat to conform to their size?
It's mainly having to do with the straps up here. That's what you're going to want to pay attention to. And then this center chest piece is going to want to stay in line with their armpits. As well as the headrest, you're going to want to make sure that the child's head is right in the center here. So you adjust that as the child grows.
And this with this particular model, which by the way is what we are giving away this weekend
Yes.
at our live drawing on Saturday, what makes this model better than some of the other models?
It's great because it is truly something that you can have for 5 years, that you can switch in and out. Have the infant insert for that time that the child is growing, and then fully move into a convertible. It's structured and super safe and easy to install. And it's like I said, the tank. So you feel it even when you're in its midst. I mean, I'm sure you could say this even standing here. It's pretty sturdy, and it's easy to install and make the adjustments from infant to toddler really easy.
So as the child grows, when are they able to get out of the car seat completely?
Usually 5 years old is the maximum for a convertible, and then they would move into the booster. In which case, CLEC also does the CLEC Uber, which is their booster seat. Same material that's lined with the FOOMF, And same installation process. So it's really an easy transition of taking this out and putting the other one in.
Is it by age, or is there height and weight also that determines when
It's normally by age, but again, you always want to check your manual just to make sure for the specific car seat what the regulations are.
Okay. What features should a parent look for when shopping for a car seat?
Well, definitely you want to look into what kind of dynamic your family has. If you're on the go, if you have more than one vehicle, it might be ideal to have the adapters going in and out of your infant seat so that you can do the transfers quite easily. If you're a one-car family and you know you're just going to be using this, it's good to just have the convertible, because that way you're going to have it for that longevity. You're not going to have to worry about moving it in and out and in and out. It has that stability. But furthermore, you're going to want to check your ratings. You're going to want to look online and see what other people have to say. In 2014, CLEC removed the chlorinated merino wool from the car seat, which is it's a flame retardant that's not good for the chemicals that the child breathes in. And that's a huge deal because there are not as many car seats that have that kind of, overall safety feature of the kind of fabric that is on their car seat. So definitely want to check into what other people are saying as well.
Great. Well, Lexi, thank you very much. Very informative.
Thank you.
And look forward to seeing you again when we give away one of these beautiful seats.
Yes.
Thanks.